Hi, and welcome to LB Math Notebook's video on finding perimeter with Pythagorean theorem. To find the distance between 2 points, what you need to do for perimeter, you're going to need to use the Pythagorean theorem with your change in x as one leg and the change in y as your other leg. So for the problem, what is the approximate perimeter of a triangle with coordinates of 14, 8, 6, 8, and 14, negative 2? The first thing we need to do is find matching x values. In this problem, you can see the 14s are the matching x value. And we also need to find the matching y values. Our matching y values are the 8s. So to help us find the perimeter, we're not going to use the point that has both a matching x and a matching y value. We're going to focus on the two remaining points, 6, 8, and 14, negative 2. So to find the change in x, we're looking at how far it is to go from 6 to 14. Well, 6 to 14 is a change of 8. And then for the y values, we're going from 8 to negative 2, which is a distance of 10. So now we're going to use that 8 and 10 as legs and find the hypotenuse. So you do the square root of 8 squared plus 10 squared, and that gives you about 12.8. Now all that's left is to find the perimeter, and perimeter is when you add up all the sides. In this case we have a triangle, so we got 3 numbers to add up. We're going to add up the hypotenuse we just got, plus the 2 legs. So we're doing 12.8 plus 10 plus 8. So the perimeter of this triangle is about 30.8. Sometimes you also have to find the perimeter of a shape that is on a graph. In this case, we have a triangle on the graph. First thing you need to do is if you have a straight side, which we do on the bottom of that triangle, all you do is count the squares. From one vertex to the other, it's 8. So that side of the triangle is 8. Now for the diagonal side, it gets a little bit trickier. You have to make a triangle, a right triangle, from one point to the other. Meaning you go up or down, and then left or right to make little triangles. So you can see with the yellow dotted lines, for the left side of that triangle, we went up 5 and right 6. Those would be legs that we use to find the hypotenuse of that side. For the right side, we went up 5, left 2, so those are our legs. So the problems we end up doing are square root of 5 squared plus 6 squared, and that equals 7.8. So the left side of that triangle is 7.8. And then we also do square root of 5 squared plus 2 squared, and that gives us about 5.4. Right side of the triangle is about a distance of 5.4. Now we add up all 3 of those sides, the 7.8, the 5.4, and the 8 that we got from counting the squares, and we get a perimeter of 21.2. You can see this can get a little bit more complicated than some of the others because you might have to do Pythagorean theorem more than once. Now you're going to try some. I'm going to give you 4 problems where you have to find the perimeter of a triangle. You'll be given the correct answers at the end. 2 of these will give you the ordered pairs. The other 2 will give you pictures on the graph. Ready? Go! What is the approximate perimeter of a triangle with coordinates of 5, negative 3, negative 2, 6, and negative 2, negative 3? Number 2, find the perimeter of the triangle. Number 3, what is the approximate perimeter of a triangle with coordinates of -2, 9, 5, 9, and 5, 1? Number 4, find the perimeter of the triangle. Time's up. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 27.4. Number 2, 24. Number 3, 25.6. And number 4, 17.7. How did you do? Once everyone in your group is finished, check to see who has the most correct. The person with the most correct may get a piece of candy from the bin. Hopefully you found this video helpful, teaching you how to find perimeter when using Pythagorean theorem.